do it? You want purple?
Wow.
Pretty.
They're pretty.
Pink? Okay.
Pink.
Okay, do pink.
Good job.
Yes, it's in our left hand. Green. Green. We're gonna do this one. All right, let me see your hand. No, no, no. Let me. Oh, no, no, no. Give me a hand. Open your hand. Are you ready?
Ready?
Yeah. Okay, let's put it on here. Bend down. Oh, what? Nice.
Little smeary.
Nice.
Oops, sorry.
Okay, now press your hand on here.
Straight down.
Press straight down. Don't smear.
Nice.
No, 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 no. Yep, just put your hand.
Oh.
Okay, you ready?
Hey, that's not bad. Kayla, you put that on the ground? What are you doing?
Well, no, I already did that one. So I'll do this one. Oh.
Oh, she's
Are you
helping.
helping? Okay. Mommy's getting it on her feet too. Here, here, look. Put your foot down. Well, it's not too bad.
Yeah, we'll
Here.
see.
Here. Ready?
Yeah.
Here, let me see your hand. Yeah. Here, open your hand. Open. No, no, no. Open. Open your hand.
Yay!
Okay. You ready? Put your hands in the water.
Dip them in. Get wet. Whoa!
Look. Are you painting? You coloring?
You cleaning up by painting on yourself? Yeah. Uh-oh. Hey, can you give me a smile? Are you too busy?
Look, tell Daddy cheese. Kayla,
She's too busy.
did you have fun?
Kayla, can you go yippee? Yay! Or go woo!
What does Darth Vader do? What sounds a horsey make?
Nay.
What about a tiger?
Yeah.
What about a monkey? And a sheep? Bah. What about a chicken? Quack, 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 quack. What about a duck? Quack.
Quack quack.
What about a doggy? Good job. And my favorite, a kitty? Are you coloring?